Hey y'all, from people who know me from other YouTube channels, some of you may think I'm good a lot with this dog, but really, I'm not good with any dogs because I know I'm a dog lover and I love them, and people think I am very good with dogs, but I'm not, and I will tell you why. So what I'm saying is, you would think of dogs as a kid.
I want to name pony.
Example, this kid. But no, well, they're pretty similar to kids. So, I am terrible with kids. And dogs are a lot like kids. And that just assumes that I'm bad with dogs. Sure, when I make videos with my dogs, it looks like I'm doing a great job with them, but really, when I'm not recording, I'm just like stuttering and stuff. Like I can't even let out a command out of my mouth. That's what aggravates me. Because it doesn't feel very good. And it's pretty annoying to have dogs. But I love them. But it's pretty annoying to have them because it's just like having this little. Jamia, say hi. Jamia, say hi.
Hi.
And you have to teach them the words. Yeah. And if you're checking out this video, I'll tell you more information. They can jump very high. And wanna see? How about you? If you have a little brother or something, or like a dog, or a little brother or sister, or a dog, compare them and tell me what happened, because to me it's pretty hard to have one. But don't think this is near the end, because there's a few more minutes until I have to stop recording. But I want to say that I love you all. Thank you for helping me reach 6 subscribers. I'm not doing very well since I only have 6. But thanks for subscribing to my channel, if you did. If you did, thanks for subscribing to my channel. I spy a little spider. You guys see it? Probably not. But I spy a little moving spider. Where is it? Do you guys see it? I spy a little spider. But I want to tell the audience.
Trying to convince my mother.
And they call you a lot. Yes? Yeah?
I'm gonna watch these movies. They're gonna watch ponies.
You said you don't like ponies. And they say a lot of things, but it's not true. But actually, now it is close to the end. But people who watch this video, I'm very happy. Bye.